So you got yourself an old Alfa Romeo V6 with the Busso engine. It needs valve seals and you don't want to take the heads off to do it. You can do it in the car. Despite not having the factory tool, which is to be used with the heads off the car anyway. You can still do this. You just need one of these bar and yoke type setups to get down there and help you push the valve stems, valve keepers in, and you will need to do a little modification with some coupling nuts, 8mm by 1 1/4, and some hold downs from your Harbor Freight machining hold down kit.